What is a service charge? So this relates to leasehold properties again. In your lease, it'll dictate what percentage of all the maintenance costs you're responsible for as that flat owner. If it's a big block of flat, it could be a fraction of a percent. If it's an old house has been converted to 2 flats, then it's going to be like 50%. But it binds you in a legal contract that you have to pay your contribution. And if you don't pay your contribution, you can ultimately have your flat taken away from you. So yeah, you want to pay your service charge. If your service charge maintenance payments are excessive, the freeholder's taking the mick, then there are ways around that. You can form a right to manage company, or you can get together with the other leaseholders and buy the freehold from the freeholder. Well, I hope that was useful. See you on the next one. Bye bye.